Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here we want dialogue talking about job responsibilities. I'm Hasna as marketing manager.
Nabila, software engineer.
Akila as HR manager.
Hai Nabila, hai Akila. How's everything going today? What are you both working on?
Hi, Hasna. I things are really busy but exciting. I'm currently deep into new feature for your application. We're close to a deadline, so it's been pretty intense, reality.
I feel you. We're onboarding 5 new employees this week. So I've been caught up with training session and meeting all day. How about you, Hasna?
Same here. It's campaign season again. As a marketing manager, I'm developing a new campaign for one of our products. I've been working closely with the design team to finalize the visual and messaging.
That's so fun. So you are the intern of promoting our product.
Yes, promotion is big part of it, but I also look market trends, customer behavior, and analyze campaigns performance data. Just this morning, I update some ad content based on our latest analytics.
Interesting. Do you also interact with customer directly?
Sometimes, mostly through survey or feedback session, I also coordinate with the sales team to make sure our messaging fits what customer actually want.
That's a lot to handle. My job is a bit different, more on the technical side. I have been working on bug fix and adding new bucket of features. Last week, we had a security issue to deal with too.
Oh, wow. So you are the one making sure our app doesn't crash?
Pretty much. I also work of improving the use experience. So BCDS coding, I have make sure the application is intuitive and smooth for user.
That's crucial role. If the product doesn't work well, all my marketing efforts won't mean much. Hahaha.
Excellency, and what about you, Akila? I always see you jumping from one meeting together.
That's very accurate. As the HR manager, I handle recruitment, training, and employee relations. This week, I've been focused on onboarding and reviewing some policy updates.
Do you deal with conflicts too?
Yes, that's part of the job. It's not always easy, but it feels great when we can resolve things and keep the team in a good place.
So, you're basically the glue that keeps the company together. How do you manage it all?
The secret, coffee and a very detailed calendar. Honestly, good communication is key. I try to stay in touch with each department to understand what's going on and how I can help.
That must be tricky, since every department has its own goals and challenges.
It is, but that's what makes it interesting. One moment I'm meeting with engineers, the next with legal or finance. It definitely keeps things dynamic.
That sounds familiar. 1 minute. I'm planning strategy, then later reviewing creative content, then diving into performance reports. No 2 days are ever the same.
From here, even touch our work is different. It's all connected, like the voucher I need to support the message you are sending out, Hasna.
Exactly. And both of us depend on Aquila to bring the right people to make our ideas a reality.
That's right. I love seeing how our roles fit together. It's like we're each a puzzle piece without one. The picture isn't complete.
Totally agree. Sometimes we get so caught up in our own work that we forget how interconnected everything really is.
That's why chats like this are so nice. They remind me how important teamwork is.
Absolutely. Speaking of teamwork, I've been thinking about organizing a team building activity next month. Maybe a cooking class or an escape room. What do you two think?
Oh, I expect room sound like fun, as long as there are no much effort.
On me in. I could definitely use a break from staring at spreadsheet all day.
Great. I will start planning something. Maybe we can invite the whole department to join into.
That would be awesome, but I guess we should get back to work before someone come looking for us.
True. This was such a fun that talk.
It really was. Let's do this more often.
Agreed. Have a great rest of the day, but you.
You too.
See you later.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.